Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Tesla Model S Performance. This one is white. For horsepower, this has 503 horsepower. This one does have the dual motor. For wheels, we've got 21-inch wheels. Tesla big brake calipers. Black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Rear carbon spoiler. Dual motor badging. All-wheel drive. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Power liftgate. Power windows. Power seats. Steering wheel controls, navigation, surround view backup camera with sensors, climate controls, this Tesla Model S Performance has 1,521 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 Tesla Model S Performance, visit us at feldmannimports.com.